So we can now move to the account type benefit. So now with the account type benefit, all we have is the account type ID and the benefit, just like the way we worked on our account type feature. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make an edit of what we have. So most of the tables are actually independent because I want to ensure that all the tables are normalized for scalability purposes. So I am going to create a new migration file for the account type benefit. So instead of the feature here, this is going to be account type benefit, then enter. So I'll of course access it from here and just copy and paste based on what we have. So I'll make use of the account type feature and just copy whatever is here and paste it this side in the benefits. So we do need the account type ID. So all we are changing is the benefit. So we can pass in the benefit, and yeah, that's all with the migration table. So I'm going to go ahead and migrate it very fast. And of course, I always ensure that we are in a good state with our database, and you can see that we do not have the account type benefit. So I believe that when we migrate it, it's going to be inclusive. So PHP artisan migrate, then once it has been migrated, you refresh. And now you can see the account type benefits are added there. And this is it. So regarding the structure, you just have to ensure that the foreign key has been added there, which is true. And then same applies to the primary key. And once that is done, we now move back to the model. So we make use of what we already have, account type feature, and we can copy this all through. Then we access it up for the account type benefit. So in the account type benefit model, all we have to change is the benefit, and an account type benefit belongs to an account type. So this is going to be kept in place. And now in terms of the account type is now going to have many features. So we can copy what we have here and paste it. So an account type has many benefits. So this will be updated to benefits, and instead of account type feature, this is going to have has many account type benefits. So once that is done, then we, of course, all these are going to be made use of when we move to consuming data in our front end while working with Voyager to access the attributes and then the other data that is related. So we don't have any account type benefits, so we shall go ahead and add the bird functionality for this feature as well. So now I'll go to the bird feature and I'll ensure that I add bird for the account type benefit. So add bird to this table, and for this table we must update the model as well. So the namespace here is going to be the models, and we can also try to add some server-side pagination. Then the ID must be a number. Then the account type ID is going to be a drop down. Then the benefit is going to be a text, and before you add a relationship, you first submit the current changes. So once that is added, we can also go ahead and now edit the bird to add the relationships there. So you click on create a relationship, and now the relationship is similar to what we had. So an account type benefit belongs to an account type, and the qualified model is now the account type itself. So ensure that we have account type, not again the account type feature. And once that is done, which column is referenced. So the column is the account type ID, and we want to display the title of the account type, and we store the ID of the account type. So you click on add. So once that has been added, we can customize the UI as well. So we shall ensure that this is required. Then we are going to have account types. Then we submit. So once that is done, we can now go back to we can retest and see whether, yeah, so now you can see the account type benefits are already added. So you can try to add some benefits. For example, guaranteed interest rates, predictable savings returns. Of course, now, since we do not have a savings account type yet, we can just try to work with the one of fixed. It doesn't matter for now, since we are just testing, then you can click on save. So once it has been added, this is okay. And I think that is it for that feature, but we do have to make updates on our menu builder. So regarding the menu builder, we come back to the menu builder for the admin. Then you click on builder. So now, first of all, I want to delete this menu item that I had added. So I'll delete it. So once it is deleted, we had agreed that we are going to have all account types and savings. So same applies to the account type features and the benefits. So you drag and drop this here, and same applies to this. So once that is done, you can refresh the sidebar or the menu. Then when you open up a savings drop down, you can see that account features and account type benefits are part of the savings page. But then regarding their icons, maybe we can also try to check out some account type icons that can be used. Now features, wondering what we can work with. So what we can do for now, we can just have this updated to this, because I can always make changes anyway. So if I update that, then regarding the benefits, we can try to, of course, you can always use ChatGPT to guide you. So benefits, let's just use a thumbs up for now. Then you can have that pasted here and then updated. So when I open up a savings page, you can see that this is already up to date. And yeah, that is already updated. And then of course, account type benefits, I believe that the created data is coming first. So I'll have to go back to the account type benefits and ensure that I drag and drop the account type relationships above before the created art. So once that is done, click on submit. So when I go back to view, this must be updated, and yeah, that is updated now, as you can see. So this is okay, So I think that is all regarding the account type features and the benefits. So I will ensure that the account type benefit is also updated to green